Let's renovate this bus!
This is our second time renovating our short school bus. After putting in a big custom 8.5-foot acrylic glass top, we found we had a lot of leaks, which means a lot of moisture, which means probably a lot of mold.
100% there is mold in this bus.
And we've heard some horror stories about mold, so we got the proper PPE from our favorite store, Lowe's, and we began deconstructing our short bus once again.
As we were deconstructing, we realized, we actually did a better job than we thought. It's really easy to be hard on yourself and think, man, everyone else's buses and stuff are so good, but we're pretty excited to come back in and give it another go, try it again, take it a little slower, and just change things from how we've learned and learn a little bit more with resources.
Storage is going to be something we're going to improve on, and that's going to help by not using such big pieces of wood all over the place.
That will also make it not so heavy.
We have the roof with the insulation, which probably has most of our mold, and then our top roof rack that has to go to the dump, and then we'll be beginning renovations once again.
We can't wait to see how it turns out. We have no idea how it will turn out, so let's find out together.